Oh yeah.
Hello. Do you want to play with me? Come a little closer. Here, let me stand up so I can see you better.
Ah, yes. Now I can see you. You look good enough to eat.
Hey guys, it is the Creepy Rising Doll, and today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo for the new for 2025 Spear Halloween Back Bend Bonnie. Alright, I'm sorry if the audio is a little bad right now. I don't currently have my microphone right now, and it's windy, so I think the microphone is going to get wind all over it, and it's going to muffle the sound, so I'm sorry if that happens. But right now I'm just going to have to kind of yell, and also this is going to be probably falling sometimes, so bear with me. Immediately, the first thing I see is her head. So let's just pull this out. This is what it looks like when you pull out everything. I believe Techie made this, but they're making their animatronics more complicated. First thing I see is the instructions with like a cotter pin. Here she is with her hairnet on. You can see how she kind of goes backwards. All right, we're obviously gonna start off with the base. First off, what you wanna do is you wanna cut these zip ties, and these are fake scissors, by the way, YouTube. Make sure to reuse the plastic cover when you're putting this in storage. Put this on the left pole. Now put the B and D pole on the right. Now you take the mechanism and connect them onto the spring locks. I think she has a lazy head. Now I'm gonna take this off. Oh, okay. All right, now she's basically done. All I gotta do is plug in her adapter, and which is a 6-volt 2-amp adapter, so you can buy another adapter if you lose it for her. Alright guys, that was Back Bend Bonnie for 2025. I'm going to be doing a nighttime demo of her, and then the video will be ended.